Hello and welcome back to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate and I do some designing and education here at Sallie Tomato, and I am so happy that you're back again for our day 9 of our 2024 Sallie Tomato Co Box. Day 9, stylish accessory. A fun new project kit to add to your accessory items you'll want to wear all year round and quite possibly make more to coordinate your fashion style. We can't wait to see what you make. Share a photo on social media of your projects created from the items in this box, or show off your favorite items with hashtag Sallie Tomato Box and join in the fun. All right, and now we get to open it. I think there's more. The 9th item is actually a no-sew accessory that you can make in just a matter of hours. You'll see the knotted headband everywhere right now, and we're excited to show you how to make your own. You can use this pattern on different headband sizes and use nearly any fabric to make a knotted headband that truly fits your style, or perhaps even an entire collection of knotted headbands to coordinate with any outfit and any occasion. We've included our cherry light faux leather for this project, but it's also suitable for nearly any fabric, including lightweight faux fur, quilt cotton, canvas, knits, sequins, denim, or linen. This could be a great pattern to incorporate leftover pieces or upcycled fabrics. Choose a headband that's between 1 inch and 2 inches wide. We can't wait to see your style, so be sure to share. I hope you enjoyed today's item. If you're interested in next year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, be sure you sign up for our newsletter. That way you'll know when it releases. Please share and show off your photos of your completed projects. We just love seeing your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can see them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way you won't miss out on any new videos as they release. Thanks for watching and have a great making day.